Have you recently replaced the rear brake pads on your Nissan Ariya? Unlike old handbrakes, the electronic system uses buttons, sensors, and motors. It's convenient, but more things can go wrong if the electronics get confused. Common causes include a weak battery, recent battery replacement, or a glitchy sensor. Even a quick voltage drop can throw things off. You might see a park brake malfunction message, hear odd noises, or the brake just won't engage or release. Sometimes the warning light flashes or stays on, even after several tries. The good news: most issues are just electronic glitches. A simple reset can often fix it. We'll show you easy troubleshooting steps you can do at home. No special tools needed. Let's get your Explorer's parking brake working again. Here's how to reset it, step by step. Safety first. Never skip this step. Park on a flat, level surface. No hills, no slopes. Put the transmission in park and chalk the wheels with blocks or chalks. This keeps your Explorer secure even if the brake disengages. Sit in the driver's seat with your key. Ignition on, engine off. This powers up the electronics without risking movement. Make sure all doors are closed. Familiarize yourself with the brake pedal and EPB switch, usually near the gear selector. Read through the steps before starting so you're confident. With the car secure and you ready, let's move to the first reset. Time to fix that brake. Let's go. Try this quick reset before anything else. It often fixes the parking brake issue fast. Turn the ignition on, but don't start the engine. Press and hold the brake pedal. Push the EPB switch down for 5 seconds to release the brake. Pull the switch up for 5 seconds to apply the brake. Repeat this cycle 2 or 3 times, always holding the brake pedal. Release the brake, turn off the ignition, wait 15 seconds, then start the car. If the warning light is off, you're done. If not, try the next method. If the basic reset didn't work, try service mode. Turn the ignition on but keep the engine off so the dashboard lights are on. Press the accelerator pedal all the way down and hold it. While holding the pedal, press and hold the EPB switch in the release position. Turn the ignition off, then back on, still holding both. Listen for a whirring sound and look for park brake maintenance mode on the dash. Release both controls. To exit, press the accelerator and pull up the EPB switch together until the system resets. Still stuck? Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes, then reconnect. Start the car and test the parking brake. If it's still not working, contact a mechanic for help. Tried everything and the warning light's still on. Time to call a pro. The issue may be a failed motor, broken wire, or faulty module, things you can't fix without special tools. A mechanic can scan for fault codes and pinpoint the problem. Tell them what you've already tried. Resets, service mode, battery disconnect. This saves diagnostic time and money. Don't be discouraged. You've done the right steps and learned a lot. Knowing when to call an expert is smart DIY. Let the pros handle it from here. Share your experience or questions below. We're here to help. Good luck.